Guys, remember my video in which I opened a Stretch Armstrong toy to learn what's inside and how it works? Today I'll show you what's inside a Vac-Man, and I'll do this with a blender. For those who doesn't know who Vac-Man is, this is the main enemy of Stretch Armstrong. This toy is interesting because in its normal state it is soft, rubbery and with something inside. But if the air is pumped out this toy, it turns into a Stretch Vac-Man. It becomes solid and can remember the position of the body. This thing reminds me of some kind of sweets. I can't remember the name. So guys, let's begin. I'm not sure if the blender will handle this Vac-Man, but what do you think? Guess what will happen. Ready? Let's do that. Jeez, have you seen that? Look at all these small pieces and this dust around. All the vacuum that was in Vac-Man pushed it all out. And guys, I don't know if Vac-Man can beat Stretch Armstrong, but he definitely beat my blender. Look at these knives, and the cup seems spoiled too. Oh well. So, Vac-Man, he has two kinds of these small pieces inside. One is very solid and the other is fragile, and this dust is definitely from it. Okay, let's see how Vac-Man works. Just look at this. He's still full of this stuff. Holy. Inside the head is kind of porcelain, so that pieces do not get in his head, in which there is a pump. One side is for pumping air out of the toy, and from what the hell is that? I guess it's rubberish stuff. Okay, and on the other side of the head is a flap, pressing on which Vac-Man sucks the air into himself. Well guys, have the idea, Vac-Man and a bear trap. How do you like it? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.